What's up, gang? Mike here, head trader at True Trading Group, and on September 3rd, the unofficial end of summer. Okay, now that Labor Day is over, I hope all of you had a fantastic, safe, fun, happy, relaxing Labor Day. Markets were closed yesterday, and we're back to business here today. I really didn't trade that much today, guys. I have been going through all the True Trading Group curriculum, the beginner courses, the advanced courses, the options course, all of the stuff that's on the website. And I've been redoing and adding a complete video library that coincides with each individual course. Each individual course, each chapter, each lesson. So I was really getting a lot of work done today, and the reason why I'm making this video here now, we're not really so much going to talk about a technical lesson or a mental lesson, more so than we are going to talk about the importance of having a good support team. Okay, because honestly, that's what trading in a group and in a community is all about, is being a part of with like-minded traders that have received a true professional education, that know what to look for, and can go about the day and can really nail the opportunities. Because we had really good opportunities today in small caps, and some of the other TGG moderators, other than myself, we have other moderators that are part of True Trading Group, that are other pro traders that are in there with me during the day, and they just nailed it today. They nailed it today. Alex, Jay, Jason. I mean, they really nailed some really good trades today. So it's like, even on a day where I'm not actively trading, we've still got a really good team that knows what to look for. And it's really important that you guys, it's not about, like, even if it's not with my group, my community's True Trading Group. We're a small, tight-knit group. I don't advertise all over the place. We're a tall, tight-knit group where we really bounce ideas off of one each other and support each other. But even if it's not my group that you guys are part of, if you're in any type of community, or if you're looking to join any type of community, make sure that you know the background of the people that you're following. Okay, make sure that they are professional traders. Okay, make sure that they have a real educational program and a real educational system that you can learn from, rather than just someone that says, buy here, sell here, I made money, if you didn't, you're stupid, you did something wrong. Really make sure that you're learning from someone that does this professionally. Make sure that you have a support team, and make sure that there are more than just one person there that can really help show you the ropes. And that's kind of just what I'm going to talk to you guys about with this video, is, just because I'm just so damn proud of the TGG team. And going back to something I talked about last week, was we weren't getting follow through in small caps. Typically, when you would get a small cap, it would be done with its move within the first hour of the day. The shorts would jump on it and they would just ride it down, because the stocks were giving up their morning moves within the first hour and a half of the day. They'd fizzle out, they'd roll over. Today, for the first time in a few weeks, we got not one but two small caps actually give us afternoon highs and afternoon follow through. It's 3 o'clock Eastern. We've got ABEO up near highs. We've got ARDX up near highs. And we haven't really seen that. And that bodes really well for small caps as we get into September. I've been saying that from what I've been seeing in small caps going into the end of August, I think we're going to have a really good fall for small caps. So the first day of September, I know it's not fall yet, but in the world of trading, it's like it's the unofficial end of summer once you get over Labor Day. So to start September with actual afternoon follow through and continuation in two small caps is a really good sign. And these weren't even real extreme high volatility names. I mean, these stocks did not, blow your hair back and have you shaking in your shoes when you're in a position. I mean, these stocks made nice, slow, calm, methodical moves, and it bodes really well. And Alex, Jason, Jay, some of the other moderators in chat nailed these trades today. Chris Toner is also one of the moderators, but he's more of our options specialist. He really focuses on options trades. But Jason, Jay, and Alex nailed these small caps. I typically don't show you guys Alex, Jay, Jace, everybody else's trades during the day when I go over my recaps and everything, because I just show you guys mine. Otherwise, these videos would be an hour long if I broke down every single one of our guys' trades. But I'm going to go through them with you and just kind of show you and really drive home to you that it's beneficial to trade in a group. It's beneficial to trade in a community because you only have one set of eyes. So the more eyes that you have that's out there scanning the markets, looking for opportunities, the more often you're going to find the stocks that are moving because you have more than one set of eyes that are out there looking for opportunities. And also to be able to bounce ideas off of one another and sometimes get an unbiased opinion, because when you're looking at a stock and you're looking at a chart, you're gonna tend to be a little biased on your analysis because what you want to see. Okay, it's going to be easy for you to start to see it rather than actually analyze it from an unbiased standpoint. So it's really good to have a community of traders, but like-minded traders. You got to make sure that you're part of a group and you're part of a community where their trading style matches yours and their trading personalities match yours. Like you can't, if all you're looking to do is trade Forex, then you're not going to join True Trading Group. We don't really trade Forex. Okay, but if you're looking to be a swing trader, then you're not going to go join a scalper's room. Okay, I'm not a scalper. None of us are scalpers either at TTG, but just as an example. So you got to make sure that you're trading with like-minded traders, but most importantly, make sure you know the background of the people that you are following and make sure that they have a real educational program that can truly teach you in a professional manner, not just, hey, this is a quick little gimmick that I came up with and I'm going to put together some DVD package and sell it to you. Make sure it's a real educational program. The True Trading Group curriculum that's on the website that I'm making all the videos for, which is why I wasn't really active trading today because I'm finishing them up. I'm actually done with them. I got them finished up today. I went through a 3-month training program when I worked at the hedge fund before I was ever able to trade with their money. So I've taken that experience and I created and I wrote the beginner course bundle and the advanced course bundle that's available on the TGG website. And then Chris Toner and we created the options course. We've also got a swing trading course that's coming out soon and a trader psychology course that will be out soon as well. And these are the stuff that I'm putting together, and I'm giving you guys the same knowledge and the same education that I went through working professionally at a hedge fund. Okay, so it's important that you know where you're getting your education from, and it's important that you are part of a group that you can rely on, a part of a group that you can ask questions, part of a group that you can get support if you're going through a hard time, someone that you can talk to if you have a question about something, have access to people rather than just be a number. Okay, so there's a lot of different communities out there. And again, guys, I'm not saying this because I'm saying, hey, sign up to True Trading Group. I mean, obviously, I would love to have you. You guys are part of the YouTube community. You show me a lot of love on YouTube. Please, guys, keep it up. I love the likes, the comments. I reply to everybody. Share, subscribe, click the notification button on my channel. I really do appreciate it. But it doesn't have to be True Trading. It could be anybody, any group that you're a part of. Maybe my style is not for you. I don't know. But anyone that you're a part of, make sure you know what you're doing and you know who you're following and you know what education you're receiving, because the worst thing for you would be to learn improperly, okay, or learn incorrect information. It's like getting golfing lessons from someone that doesn't actually know how to golf. I mean, you're going to really screw up your swing. So let's get to some of the trades from the guys in chat today. And I'll start things off here with Alex long ABEO at 9:38 in the morning, just under that $2 level. ABEO was on the watch list today, guys, on the gap up. We had strong volume, consolidated in here, and Alex went in here and jumped in long right there at $1.99 and just was able to ride this move. And this is a really nice, strong move. Alex caught this big, strong push. I'll take you guys back to the trade announcements. You can see Alex took some off at 215. Took more off at 231, and his final take profit at 245. okay, just before 10 a.m. So 2:45 is final take profit right there. So Alex caught this entire move with his final take profit. It was a really, really strong trade. Okay. You had Jason went in here, and Jason caught ARDX. This was another one that was on the watch list here today. Okay, ARDX, we were talking about this one. Okay, this was on the watch list. Let's go out to the daily chart. We were looking at this double top, okay, this previous double top area to start to become support for us. Okay, here you guys can see this double top. That's the area we're looking for us to hold. And as I pan, oh, sorry, I just deleted that line by mistake. And as I pan this in, you can see here, there's our little tail. We held that level, and we extended here higher. And Jason caught a real nice piece of this move as well. So you guys see his trade announcements on the day, and you can see in at 397. Took some off at 415. Okay, and then he actually bailed out at 403. So a small profit for Jason, a single on that ARDX, and then all of a sudden this thing came out of nowhere with this squeeze move. And ever since that squeeze move, this thing really hasn't looked back. And it's funny that this happened at exactly what time? 10:30. At exactly 10:30, we had this squeeze move in ARDX. I just got done saying small caps have typically died out after that first hour of the day, going into like the end of August. So now today, to see us actually squeeze to new highs on an hour into the day really starts to bode well for some momentum coming back into small caps. And you can see that previous high, okay, then started to act as an area of support. And this thing just never looked back. I mean, look at this move. This thing got all the way up to $5.75. The high of the day is $5.72. That's a real nice, strong move. This is excellent follow through on small caps. We haven't really seen anything like this in the month of August. So to see them start to come to life right now really has me excited. And you can see Alex actually went back in ABEO after 10:07. So he caught that first push. Okay, let's go back to ABEO. This was actually a nice setup. Okay, after that first push, okay, we draw out our Fibonacci retracement levels from the low to the high, and what you start to see was the 23.6 Fibonacci level started to hold support. We got a trade line VWAP crossover. The trade line came up and pushed us up to new highs. So Alex actually went back in and rebought ABEO in here at $2.42, and you can see just taking profits off the table, 261, 265. Just 4 minutes after his entry, he's peeling stock off the table at a brand new fresh session high. I mean, absolutely surgical, completely ripped this trade apart today. It was really, really, really good action. And even this ABEO, you can see we pulled in, we held VWAP support, and you're getting an afternoon move. Okay, this is the type of action we have not seen in small caps for a little while. All right, so it's nice to see us start to really get this real nice afternoon highs. We haven't really had afternoon highs get put in on these small caps in the month of August. Now you're seeing it in September, and you're really getting that follow through. And continuing on, we'll get to Jay. Okay, Jay jumps in here, ARDX at $4.38. Okay, right, and let me go back to ARDX's chart. I just want to get it right. 1037 at 438. Right there. So there, after the short squeeze move through the high of the day, okay, recognizing that, wow, okay, this is, odd, okay, or not odd, but a change of pace here, that an hour into the day and the stock is gaining momentum instead of losing momentum like we saw in August. And Jay goes in there and pulls the trigger and gets long ARDX at $4.38. This was a typo initially. He said 338, but that's why this was a correction at 438. And you can see he starts taking profits off the table. 480, okay, in the afternoon, and then final take profit at $5.30, okay, right there. I mean, this is a big move. Big move. So, this is what I'm talking about, guys. When you have a team like this that has all gone through the same education, they all know what to look for, and you have multiple sets of eyes that are out there scanning the markets looking for these opportunities, the chances of you missing something during the day decreases. Okay, and that's why it's important to be part of a good community, a good group of like-minded traders that know what to look for, and their styles fits and is similar to yours. All right, so I'm really proud of Jason, Jay, Alex today. Really great trading. Um, I'll be a lot more active tomorrow. I finished up, like I said, the last of the videos today, so I'm excited to get that stuff on the website, which is, I mean, it's available for members, for True Trading Group members only. But still, I'm excited to get that up on the site for our crew. It's going to be pretty cool. All right, guys. So, like I said, doesn't matter who you're a part of. Doesn't have to be True Trading Group, but make sure that you know their background. The education that you're receiving is a true and professional one. All right, and get that support that you guys need and the support that you deserve. Mentorship is very important. Okay, I was lucky enough when I worked at the hedge fund to get the mentorship that I needed when I was there. My senior portfolio manager really took me under his wing and really helped answer a lot of questions and helped rein me in when my emotions were getting out of control. It's really important. Believe me, guys, I understand the importance of mentorship, and that's why at TTG I like to create a very tight knit group of traders that really truly care about each other and really grow those relationships. All right, so as we go into the afternoons, actually power hour, excuse me, as we're into power hour now, ARDX still trading up near highs, and ABEO still trading up near highs. So keep these on watch going into the close and then going into tomorrow, and we'll see if this is a foreshadowing of things to come in small caps. I'll see you guys in chat.